I like Christmas, and even though it's not Christmas, I like getting gifts, and this is a gift. And I also like shiny things, and as far as a guy is concerned, this is pretty shiny to me. It's a box of charcoal. Love the packaging. It's called Hellrazr. I think that's really cool. Burns hot as hell, and it's an oak and mesquite charcoal mix blend. This was given to me by Chef David Evans, and he asked me to critique it. He asked me to see how it is, if it's a product that he wants to carry. So let's get into it. Take a look. Big beautiful chunks. And we're going to add that to our chimney. So get a starter cube. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to obviously add some to our charcoal chimney. Nice big chunks. Alright, so we are going to light my little cube. And get some Hellrazr charcoal going. We'll see how that goes. Come on back. We're going to critique this bad boy. As you can see, this Hellrazr stuff burns hotter than hell, as it's described. Let's just drop her in here, and we will get our indirect heat going. You can see. And in the meantime, I'm just going to close this up, get some heat on it, and stay hungry, you guys. Come on back. Alright, I am going to do the ultimate indignity to this poor chicken and shove this thing up his butt. See how that works out. Then we'll stand him up in the barbecue and get him rocking. Alright, so we're rocking almost 400 degrees, which is fine. And just, again, I'm not hands-free, so I just wanted to show you that I've got this poor chicken sitting on a can of gin fusion, I think it's called. It's got some cucumber and some ginger, and anyway. And we are rocking a really hot charcoal fire from Chef David Evans. Hellfire mesquite charcoal. Oh, sorry, Hellrazr mesquite charcoal. Oak and mesquite. It's supposed to burn really, really hot. It's supposed to impart a really cool flavor. So as such, I haven't put any smoke or any wood chips on the barbecue to enhance that. I just want to taste the chicken. I want to taste the flavor with the charcoal. So we'll let you know how that turns out. I should mention that we're more than an hour into the cook. Got my dampers wide open, maintaining 405-ish degrees. Oh, my timer's going off, and that damper's wide open as well. So this wraps up the demo of the hardwood charcoal, the lump hardwood charcoal that Chef David Evans gave me. It wasn't about the chicken. It was about the charcoal. Actually, that's not true. It was about the chicken. The chicken tasted great. It had a bit of a gin fusion flavor to it because of the result of that can that I put up the butt, which was nice. And the chicken itself did have a very nice smoky flavor, even though there was no smoke wood chips added to that at all, so that came directly from the charcoal as well. The charcoal burned hotter than hell, as it says on the box. It was still 400 degrees when I took the chicken off, and that was well into an hour after the cook, or well into an hour of the cook. So at the end of the day, Chef David, thank you very much for the opportunity to demo that charcoal, and if any of you see that charcoal on a shelf any place, buy it. It's good stuff. Anyway, in the meantime, please like, subscribe, and stay hungry, folks. Share this video with your family and friends, and give me a big old thumbs up. It helps Google, along with the analytics portion of the YouTube, to show YouTube that I'm actually putting out content that people want to watch. Hopefully you do, and I'll see you next week, next Thursday, for another upload at 6 o'clock. Thanks very much for hanging out, and stay hungry, you guys.